Hi everybody, Munna here. Now in this next video we'll learn everything about Mind Studio to make money, real money. I think I so have this. Hi everybody, Munna here. In this video we just learn how to use Mind Studio. Each and everything that we need to build a agent to make our money, real money. And we also build a real system that generate money for us. Now let's go to our dashboard, see how we make it. Let's go. Now if you see the back my previous video, you know I used build a simple system and in a very fast, but in this system today I will build everything in detail. I teach you everything that you know about Mind Studio. Let's go to. It's it. Yeah, it's right. Okay. Now you see pretty this UI when you open it. What happened that it is very simple slick system. Yeah. This is actually allowed to you just fast is just to chart. They have inbuilt chart system. You can chart it about it at anything that in this know what is AI agent. Let's you can ask like a chart GPT. That's a pretty similar. You have to do nothing. This is inbuilt chart system you have, and this is pretty interface. Now go into setting. After that, you have to look your setting. It's a simple thing. If you are no Mind Studio before that, you have to skip this part. You have to do. There's general setting that here. First, you set work for name. What is your workspace name? You can put your company name. Also, you can put your logo. That's stuff you can do. And next thing is that is come after you learn certain experience that you can set the monthly budget. How much you want to expense in this system. Means that sometimes what happened that people use too much of that and too much billing happened to that company not know okay what happened, people are misusing the AI, so they have pretty good feature to have a limit on that. They have put limit on that, how much the workspace spend, how much the users allowed to spend. It's also good part is that if one user is just using it extensively in a non productive manner, just building a 10 doing a 10 stuff where it requires only one, so we have user limit. Also have notification if you have a cross certain threshold, so the owner know that okay we pick the time to see it. Okay, and then we have pretty good decent dashboard. Okay, how much each app we use, how much each user use, to know that how much user is using, also the activity what happened also. You can see that this pretty empty because we do nothing, but you have to know that glimpse of it, you have to know it. Third fourth party that have a billing system where you how much you bill, your plan and stuff. You can top up your thing, balance credit, and this thing. That's no main thing. Now this is the part of thing you have to just upgrade your plan. You can just invite your teams that who is using your AI. So you have just go from team or agents enterprise level to just invite a team so you can work through it. So whenever you just building a AI agent for a company, just choose a team plan because you have to invite the teams to use that. Or otherwise, you can also use a public limb domain that can also be useful. There are several way if you're not prefer to use team plan. There is a several way also. Now the last one is there is an API which you can use in make.com to call this system to run in backend. That's the stuff. That's the. Now going to the boring stuff. Let's go something that we have. Into home. Yeah. Now you see this little question mark icon. You just click it. This is a pretty decent thing you have to learn about it. That is the learn part. So I like the main studio because they have pretty decent video list of everything, tutorials, every feature that you can use and take a reference. They are updated regularly. You can just go to this reference to learn. If you have any confusion related any feature, then go through and just learn about it, and just and very structured way you have to just click one and just see whatever you like. There is also a documented space where you have to use whenever you using API or have any question to prompting, and you just refer to your documentation. And this is starter tool. If you are new, just click it and just meet assistant. Next, just you can see that you have to click to here to just create an app. Here is your workspace. Here is your profile ID, and here is your need any help. This need. Last fourth part is that they have a support system. You can just if you have any doubt, any question that not doesn't resolve by any means, you just research in Google, Chat GPT, and there is actually a bug you find it. Just report in this chat, and they reply in within one business day. Yeah, I think so. In one business, and then you have a Discord community. We can just there are people will use Mind Studio. Then go to collaborate with them and just ask a bunch of questions if I want it. And debugger that we don't need it. It's a profile. You can also put it to dark mode, but I prefer to white because dark mode doesn't like suited me. And pending invites, you can just invite in. You can go to apply to another workspace, or you can just invite in your workspace for any person. That's the thing. Now it's a pretty decent thing. We learn that's much you need it, not more than you need anything about it. Just it is totally fine. After opening that, we can just have to just click this button to just open your AI. You can see there is a blank, but after you build the AI, you see the bunch of list of AI in here, and you can select it. But you have no AI, so you just have to just create one. Okay, it's fine. Now I like the one other thing that they have pretty decent template. If you just want to create an email response generator or marketing channel expansion policy, they have pretty template to generate. Okay, lead ad generation ad. So you can, if your any idea falls in between them, just click it and then it make a template for you. So yeah, very easy to use. Just use if you just check out whenever you're building app. Just check out. Okay, this do my ideas fall in any tablet update. If fall, then go. Now there's a two-step. If you're building, they are not following the idea of your template. You're building actually a real system. Then you have to two things. You have to build with the generating prompt means that you have to write the inbuilt AI. Just build the prompt that you require to build the AI. This is the prompt that you build. They just create it. But but if you want to create your own prompt, wholly customizable, you can do it yourself. So you have not to fear and anything. So today we just create prompt by generating prompt. After that, we just see how to do it more advanced way. After that, just go to generating prompt and do and just creating next and writing the prompt. But right now we're not doing. We're just explaining your thing. Okay, where did I go? Just click back. The AI. Okay. Delete the AI and delete the AI. Now, just click a like. Now we're going to choosing the blank and going to this. Now let's close everything that we did not record. Now this is the interface where you build app. This is the individual interface for your AI agent where you build it. So foremost third you see the United. You can place your name of anything that what is your AI about AI agent about that. Just put your name on it in this name field. And you also put in description what is about that, okay, what is this system supposed to do, so any other person is using that know that okay, this app is about it. Then there are several things go variable. The go variable is simple. I just explained you very little is that if anything that is repeatedly using in every scenario that is static, that company name, company phone name, company email ID, that is statically use any, so that any you do any input, the this two thing input is constant, then you can put that as a global variable, so just use it, you have to not put again and again. So that is a usable global variable, you can use it right now. So, icon media, this thing you want to, if you build after building your AI agent, you just want to customize, just put the app image, social image, sharing image to customize it. And they also have CSS, you just put to customize it a bit to make more beautiful, so you can use it because it also allow to just share publicly in domain. You can just share by link, you have not to go to MindStudio app again and to use the app, you just share as a link also. And the thing is that you also put monthly app budget in here and user budget if you want it. If you just want put the how much money you want to expend and how many user, how much money each individual can expend this, you can put it. And you're sharing this, you can just share this publicly, you have to no issue. After you develop this, you can access it, just click enable, just you have get a link, just send your friend, they can use your app anyway. And the last feature is very decent, you can inbuild in your website. You have to know them, just yeah, it get the code, just inbuild in your website. Now look at this four. This is a database source. Database source is something that you store a data, that's company SOPs or any sales SOPs or any meeting notes. That is great, that is a reference of AI to putting in that. So that is to answer your to giving, this means that if a AI agent want to give any output, they require certain variables, certain nuances. So this data source provided that if any, okay, just give you an example that if you want to just answer the sales query, yeah, you just create an AI agent that help to sales your company sales agent to just know about what happened, if this happened in call, what I do. Just you have to create a database, okay, this is the sales structure, how we have to respond, what are the ideology. So whenever the client employee asks, the AI just go through your database and see the what is the relevant data, then take it, just customize it according to the position and just give the answer. When we're getting a sorting it according to customizing more better. There's see that there's arbitrage of knowledge in internet that about sales knowledge, but you have putting a restriction, okay, just pull from this as the main thing that we use it, just making more customized, more your unique thing about it. So you can just add it, nothing else, just add data session, just you have to just upload a file, Excel, text, docs, HTML, whatever you want to it. Now it is a function we can use called make Zapier, calendar, Google Calendar, any sort of application that is available in here. You can also custom this JavaScript if you wanted, you are a coder, then you can just call APIs through function. So but if you're no coder like me, just you can simply suppose that you can just link mix Zapier or Google Calendar through it, just simple thing, not just. Now going to user input, just I want to spend little bit of time here. Now there are five, there's not five, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay, there's a 9 user input type of user input that you can put. See, there's a long text, you can put a whole article, a whole bunch of transcript of meeting to it. So you can just you can create a short text like name, your email ID, anything sort of thing that is short, one line. You can print that thing. You also put text choices when you have a yes or no, means that, or you have a choice. Okay, means just give me an example. If you are just creating a blog post, do you want to more short? Do you want to more lengthy? Just you can create a short and more. Just creating a separate decision. Sorry. Also you can put same image choices, you can two images and put it. You can know that I tell you that you can also generate images. Okay, you can just define the set of style of images. Okay, style. Okay, and just give a ability to user. Okay, do you want to this style or this style, more abstract or most realistic? And just after the user like it, just click it and the whole flows around according to it. Just put in the choices. There's a rating. The rating is just scale of intensity. We don't use oftenly, just meaning that we just scaling how much intensity, just rate 3, 4, just make it. Also, I one is that giving a report that how much you like the output also. If this output, just put the output like a rating. Means just giving an example, little bit about it. That every time you just make AI agent and a sales process, and every employee just asks the question and give an AI agent give your answer, and just put a last that rate to that how the answer is good or bad, and they give the rating, and you understand that okay, your how much your AI agent working or not. And also if you also place a rating, and then also you can train the AI agent like okay, this is below the 3, you can have to regenerate it. If it's above the 3, you have to just go to it. This sort of thing you can do rating for it. Most of it doesn't require is need a long test and yes, date. It is decent because you can just put a real date, have to not parse it to AI, that sort of thing. You can display, okay, displaying user can just display the text before happening, just saying that okay, this is about the information or guidance how to use, the sort of thing that you want to display to user. And that okay, please do this, please, okay, okay, write a date in format apple mm/dd slash year. Just giving a bunch of input. Also you can put a body text about it. Okay, just giving example, okay, example 2000 month, 8th month, 23 days, 2024. Just giving example, okay, examples so you understand. Just displaying an activity, displaying the text. It's not a thing. Also you can upload a file, text input, and then you also upload images, any text you desire. There is a lot of text, HTML, PDF, a text file, Word, CVS. Allow all extraction file, all extracting and non-processing. That mean that mean that one thing is that they extract or text or they are not processed. That usually put a vector. One thing that mine studios is there as a vector means that they're bunch of coding things, so we don't know. But I also prefer that always use extract test, no thing else. Have no knowledge about too deep on it. And upload an image. I don't know why they put it different, but they have a separate put of images. Why? Because of they have email modules to generate. So okay, they have a separate thing. You can also put email through this also. I think so. You can upload an image also from here, but they have a separate part. Okay, that's the thing. Now going to our canvas. Here's a workflow. Here is a way movement. Here is a prompt part where we just define the assistant what to do, and you just write all thing in their assistant role, their tonality, their tasks, their limitation, their scopes, their constraint, their examples. So just train the AI. Just same prompt is nothing about just telling something that do what. Just see that. Just giving an example that your father told you that go to down, just on, just pull out, just take out the car and go to your aunt house. This is an instruction that is called prompting. Just give it the instruction to AI. Just like similar into prompt. What we do that say that we take the input, extract the information about their information, make a title, then it generate. I can generate the body, then go to search a YouTube or Google, find the relevant keyword, attach it, make a hashtag, or generate an image accordingly. Just telling you structure. The prompt is just instructing us step by step what to do. I think that also generate prompt right here. Just that you want to just generate, just click and just generating the prompt. Now this automation. Is a two canvas we just do is a starter with the for start is a chart with the and you can use by chart, you can use by revising document, you can use by data source explorer, or you can use int session. Usually I use chart. These things are not required for us right now because they are not very useful for right now, and data source not. We can use int session or chart for right now. I use chart because you can conversate after the input, and between you have different modules: generate text, generate image, display content, text to speech, analyze image, user input, data query that you can just query the data from it, and you run a function means that you can run my make.com Zapier in it. You can also scrape a data, but I don't prefer to use it because that's not very good preferring. I think there is, but I think they have also in the fire glue. They had also improved Firecrawl recently. Again, you can use also. And there is a menu, there is a logic, when that sort of thing we learn through by applying it. If I tell you, you know nothing about it. Now, this is the whole thing we do it. This is the whole thing you need it right now to build your first app. AI agent. Now, go to building search stuff. So I'm just going to my real workspace where I build app. It is stay there. You can pretty see like this if you generate it as you have a proposal generator and thing. You can search the name or some by all or searching the name. Same thing. Now we have to just again same creating a and generating prompt. Now before it that, what we generating right now? We're generating automating whole YouTube part. What is we generating titles? We're generating description. We're generating hashtags. We're generating the what text written in the thumbnail. Also, we're generating the prompt with generator image. So you can use it ideogram or any image generated prompt. Also, you can use the Mind Studio module to generate images. Add coding to it. Now, just going to it. Let's say next assistant. And this some hashtags thumbnail idea image idea text So it's mixed with description. I don't know. Description, okay. Okay, I just mix all this also. Hashtags, okay. Don't go to my spelling, I just mess out very oftenly. That's why I use ChatGPT to write anything. And thumbnail text and sort of. Now see what happened. We just define the thing, but we just customize the prompt also. Yeah. Now you see that we define the assistant that what he do. You have to contain element like including titles, description, hashtag, thumbnail idea, thumbnail text. And what are the tasks? They have to create a catchy, relevant title. Assistant must write a compelling description, summarize the content engaging. And assistant must generate appropriate hashtag to increase the discoverability. Also must have to suggest a creative thumbnail idea visually presenting the video. And assistant must provide the concise, impactful text for the thumbnail. The output is like formatted to use Markdown because everyone knows that Markdown is a language that this is a Markdown language. Well, I make a video on Markdown language. The Markdown language is the way as a language that way to talk with computer. It is very useful because a lot of AI just communicate with the Markdown language and say just format. And this element like title, thumbnail like label, response to yeah, tonality basic user. Okay, that is more than enough. So you have to now we get YouTube content creator AI, everything we needed. Now go to flow automation. First we build very simple thing and then we just go. Now text is the text. There should be idea. Okay, let's think. Now put the input. You have just click the input. Place the plus icon. Just click the idea and add it. Now have generated text. Now you can generate images, display content, and but we have generating image text. Now just click it here. Just write a prompt. Now assistance you suppose you have to generate titles for my YouTube video on the basis of just put double quote putting any variable like here. Just I want to call the idea, just click it, just put double quote and just idea. Now just to preview, this is not enough for us. We have seen what AI is doing right now, so we can customize more and more again and again. I have to make how to make money with AI agent in 2024. Let's see that it's our idea. Let's see what they're giving it. No. Unlock the future of Eden AI on AI with Essence. This is the info that we are exploring the AI, and this is the hashtag we needed. and thumbnail idea. This is very decent, low level, not a very, not more for usable idea to use it. But we not need this. We need something advanced because we are developing a real AI agent. So what do we do it? We just have to change the prompt here. We just generate everything now. The task is just it's instruct no one by one. Now let's see. We just grab the whole assistant that do intent, but we have to do it like this. We have to only need to generate text. Now see what happened to it. Let's see the preview what is going. Create a new thread. Like yeah. Now we get it. Unleash your earning potential, mastering the art of AI for income generation. Now we just what we do is just we just remove the ability from this. What I do that we just remove the ability from it generating everything in a once to just developing each part in a unique way because we're using different models or different things in future. We're using perplexity if we are just knowing to scale know from what is trending that sort of thing. We're just giving the individual model of power, not a assistant the power. Just giving you just have to fix the rule and it's out to variant just tonality this thing is that we're not even need it right now. That is the idea. Okay. Now we get the idea. Now we just have to create another thing that we need. Now we just create a description that we needed. Let's create a generation. Idea. Now creating a description. Just go. Then like this, just shift it for that you can just click here and just make arrange. Click here, and just you can arrange it like a line. Just click. And looking pretty beautiful. Just rename it. Try. Description. Now just generate a description. Now I want to do with hashtag. Assistance. More. Hashtags for my YouTube video. Can I scroll up? Okay, this. on the basis. Now just let's give the variable idea. Now create an idea. Now this sort of thing we needed three things for right now. Just go to different part, just align it properly. Okay. Now see what happened to us. Just go to preview, just see, just create a bunch of three part of our, let's see what happened. Creating a new thread again to make money AI agent. Okay, we get title. Okay, we get description. That's fine. Are you looking for harmless for AI that generate passive income? In this insightful video, you will explore the incredible potential of using AI agent to make money with minimal effort, discovering how to can leverage latest advantage in intelligent AI to create a sustainable income stream. In addition, you can also write humanize. Okay. Now it also hashtag. Now what is something is missing that? Now we're just going to just unleashing the power. Yeah. Now you can see here little, you can see there is a little thing here. Yeah. Clicking here. Where you can just choose the models. Which model you are using right now. So I just choose say perplexity. There's a perplexity here. Okay. Perplexity. So now which one we use? You use smaller. This is. Okay, just use this and this for title. And also use for this also for our for what hashtags. And description we use let ChatGPT. That's good for description. Oh, just a lot of things I have to just write OpenAI. And we're using GPT the mini. Now, just change the models. See that what we title, we need titles that's suitable for it. So why you for beginning why we use perplexity? I tell you in this preview, just you see the drastically different thing. Just only changing the model. Just write it. Okay. I think something happened in our. I just saw the description. Really. Okay. Okay. Regarding future finance, in this video we explore the accelerating realism landscape related. Okay. Okay, just stop it. Okay, I just put very big context window. Okay, that's okay. What happened to it? It is fine. and let's stop it. Let's delete this. I think we should choose very long context windows. That is the problem. Is we just go here, just and just strike mini. Okay, which is response token is very high. Just low it. Okay. Now just save this. Just context a little bit about 300. That's the thing. We just put a lot of context window right here. Generate text, perplexity. Text is not but no. Now let's go. Four. Yeah. Okay. You also give a guidance. Okay, that's how to make money with AI in top 10 straight strategy. You can see that what is we are doing right now. You can see that people are most searching like a top tips, strategies, keywords. So why I use the perplexity.ai? Why? Because we can find the what is trending keywords. So perplexity AI have the power to just search the web very efficiently. OpenAI also can search the web, but perplexity can search very intensively, extensively. Just we can just change. So we can get very cool. But we should say give a title. We don't mention anything else, and give it so title that top tips strategy. That's highlighting good. So this is the way why I choose the model of different. Now let's go to description. But do this right description. Okay. Yeah. Now see that. Why choose the chat GPT model? Just not this time not have it on stream on your mind why choosing it. We just go to just see how this building it. You can see that we just build description unlocking the future how to make money with AI agent. Welcome to the channel. Just today we just dive into exciting world with AI agent and how. I just love the way that the chat GPT write because it very have tone its tone is very friendlier because we just often communicated and ChatGPT had largest with context. So we just have a better result on it. So just have a very nice description for ChatGPT and just go to hashtags. I've said very well. Yeah. Now you can see that we get very decent hashtags. AI entrepreneur, AI investing, AI revenue model, next gen finance, digital entrepreneur, online wealth, tech. These are so keywords or hashtag that is searching on it in a YouTube website. So this is the way you just change the word and perplexity. But like no take a whole strain on it. Just we have generated three things: title, description, and text. In beginning of video, we just see that we are just generating a normal title. That doesn't make any sense. But after we are just changing little bit of tweak, we see that how our AI is just growing. First, we have just not play with the prompt or itself right now. Okay, just have to delete this. I think okay. Yeah. No. Now we just generate text, now hashtags. Now we have to generate images. Let's go to images. So first we just create Okay, just tell that chat GPT will use assistance idea. Now we're just giving the instruction. Just here, just double quote, write instruction. Now, what thing we're just assigning it a variable. We're not storing here. We're just assigning it. This we just call image. Just call image right now. Image. And this is it. Also, you can generate image right now. We like it. I think it's something happen here. Goes to this. This is pretty big flow right now. Now, let's see we not build this because a lot of users are not using image generation, so we're just not using right now. No, 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 no. We're just building a prompt. I just display it. Just display the user. We just use an ideogram to build it, so it's easy to everybody to just keep it up. Now I have to do this, this, this. Now I'll go to preview. Let's see what happening with us. In 2000. Oh, okay. Now it's getting pretty decent, and because what happened that it isn't the train itself, because a lot of people understand that the result that you're getting initially are the result, because whenever you just try to just so using this agent after like whatever 50 to 60 times it will be so efficient because they learn they have various contexts into because we just have to edit it and just it will be very efficient too. Like just one line there. Next description. Okay, you're on the financial future. I like it. I like the thumbnail. I like this as title. Okay, join. Okay, don't miss out. Find out to help me join our community. Okay, that's the stuff. But we no need to just eliminate it right now. Okay, that's good. AI for profit. Okay, yeah. Generating this. Okay, you can see the image is also good. Create a YouTube thumbnail, unlocking the passive income, how to make money, a futuristic tech background, creating circuit board, gear stand, central image of person, possibly a businessman and entrepreneur like me. So in that, interfacing with controlling AI agent and robot, and so set. Now you just have to just put it in an ideogram and just generate it. You can image generate a image very well, and so. Now, what thing we can do? We can just play with this all you input that we have to just okay make title more okay just more sort. Just want to let me sort. Just pick it. What we're using, we use. Okay, we want to use OpenAI Mini. That's the thing. Okay, just okay. Make money with AI agent. So you can see that now after the result, you can just communicate it. You have to not to just okay. You want to do something else. Okay, this description is too short or too long. Okay, just add more emojis in description. Okay, this. Okay. Now say you have play this one, but you can do it first thing. What we can do, what we instructing here, we can instruct it in the our backend also, and that so we just have to just click here, go description, add plus something, had to just create hashtag, got instruct add emojis. Okay, add CTA call to action to like okay to join our community. Okay, name make money with AI agent. Yeah, now we can add a CTA and this thing. Okay, we have title. Okay, just make title little bit struct. Let us stroke it like little bit, not too much. Instruct. More secretive. Now we just pretty decently create the thing. Now we need it. Unlock the 2024 make how to make money with AI agent. Now you can see that how I just tweak it with secretive in that little bit of tweak. We have just instruct it that there are different psychological thing that how the title works. There are 3 word strategy. This is unlock, make, strategy. That's something you can just instruct the title how want to just instructing. This mean that when I just told you earlier that prompting is not about just telling what to do. So the better you prompt, the better result you get. Yeah. Now next step, add a bunch of emoji. How much emoji you add? Yeah, money. Yeah, emojis are good. Yeah. Now we can join our community. So okay, the CTA just mean that join our community, connect with the like-minded who are eager to with my make money with AI agent. Okay, discuss with us. Okay, and also we can link here and let's do the hashtag. We just know ending. We also get a hashtag. Next thing. Oh yeah, we just have the prompt thumbnail ID also. And next, the chat. We can also generate a tags on it. Now, where to publish it? Now after you just satisfy and just check this error. If any error happening, just check the error. And also you can check the error and then just go to here a little button, just go and publish. That's your AI generator. Just open it. Now you make your first AI app, not AI app, I just thought AI agent that make money for you. Alright. Okay, this not edit AI right now. You can just share also, yeah. Copy the ID, make a copy. That's how we not it. You also have ability to just sharing it. Just public this access disable, enable. You can just share it. Means that you have just click the link and just share it to the another. Just have to do the link and they can use it anywhere they want. And this is the much I tell you right now. Go to there, just see the bunch of. Okay, just where is the? Yeah, where is here? Go just practice a little bit about their agent, just play, just prompt like different way, and in the further video just struck I tell you how to just make a prompt more advanced. This prompt I generally write a prompt like generating what they want to paragraphs, instructed roles, defined tonality, every prompt. I just touch about how to write a prompt promptly, so it gives the genuine result. Also, give a trick how to generate a similar response every time that we just formatting the data and thing. That's we see that we get different formatted. One is that hashtag is close with the different with the two paragraphs in between the hashtag, and there is only when and again another time just again only hashtag. We just format the data how we just want to data in every time. Just also can format it. Also we can just give source. We can just ideation. We can just rewrite our prompt. This all thing we do in further video. For that time, stay tuned. Bye. Thanks. And if you have any question, just comment in here. And bye for today.